Welcome to the third video of RIV Academy's elementary series. In this video, we'll talk about NFTs. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. This term refers to a token that represents a unique and irreplaceable asset or good, precisely non-fungible. While money is an example of a fungible item because it can be replaced by other money, a car or a stamp collection is unique and cannot be replaced by another similar item. Blockchain technology has made it possible to exchange originals even in the digital world. Indeed, thanks to the blockchain, it is possible to transfer values in the form of tokens, maintaining their originality and their value. A token can represent a coin, a gram of gold, or a shape of Parmesan cheese. Thanks to blockchain, you can exchange unique and irreplaceable items or values without the risk of duplication. NFTs are a revolutionary way to enforce copyright and commercial ownership of digital artworks. Imagine having an original image by an artist, encapsulated in an NFT which represents the certificate of originality. Thanks to this NFT, you are in possession of the original. A photo of that work cannot have the same value because a simple photo does not represent the originality of a work. NFTs can be applied to many sectors such as art, fashion, music, sports, and many others. In the world of fashion, for example, many famous brands have begun to issue NFTs linked to exclusive, limited edition items. In the music sector, some artists have issued NFTs that allow their holders to access exclusive events, such as concerts, backstage, studio sessions, and other events. The same applies to other sectors. It is important to understand that blockchain technology is the only way to exchange non-fungible assets in the digital world. Sometimes this quality is underestimated, but it is essential to understand it to comprehend the enormous scope of this technology. Many of you will have heard that some NFTs representing digital art have been sold for millions of dollars, creating crazy profits. Indeed, in April 2022, a historical high of $146.3 billion in weekly NFT trades was reached. Yes, you heard right, weekly. These data make us reflect, and we can say that NFTs representing digital works follow market trends and fashions. At RIV Academy believe that the true value of NFTs will only be possible when they are used to represent real assets, simplify economic transactions, certifying the originality and provenance of a good. Only a true expert can create real value using this technology. Seize the opportunity to become a true expert in this field. Purchase the RIV Academy membership that best suits you. With it, you will have exclusive access to all our 100 videos, immersing yourself in the depths of NFTs and blockchain. But that's not all. You will also be part of an exclusive community, always updated on the latest trends. The world of NFTs and blockchain is growing rapidly. Don't be left behind. Act now and join us. Become a crypto master.